little blueberry.
Where?
Over here.
What is it, Rosie?
Blueberry.
A little baby blueberry. Oh, don't eat the little baby blueberry. Let me see it. Yeah.
Blueberry.
Can you say little baby blueberry?
I want the stem on it.
Take the stem off, huh?
Do that.
Good job.
My milk in here. Milking.
No, you drink your milk already. You drink it all gone. Where's the little baby blueberry?
Over here.
Oh, show the camera.
Nope.